So now visualizations over two dashboards are being done, but it's time to make it width into slightly more slightly increased type. I'm going to theme and the layout because it's become too long chart, so our width has been a lot much more. So I'm changing it width in to be as almost 1900 and I'm pressing enter. You can see over there. So I'm just making its size into be increased in terms of width. I'm adjusting the size of my other visualizations. Basically I wanted to dragging these visualization that are in downward and I'm making it to upward because they are representing the same stuff for data, so I'm dragging it over side by side. And now I am also moving my dot chart right behind these visualization. So now our visualization much more better looking because before that our visualization is it's become too long in the terms of dashboard. So now it's better that we have increased the width. And now it's time to move toward our second dashboard, but before that you can see now its look is much better than previous one. So now I'm choosing my second dashboard and doing the same process with this one. So I'm selecting this. I'm in my edit tab and now I'm selecting this one. As you can see from the behind, I'm changing its background, dragging its background, I'm dragging its background into full width. And making this into slightly upward. I'm adjusting the size of my these line charts. Because now you can see I'm just dragging all of this and making into slightly upward, and then I'm dragging this background size and adjusting the size of my above visualizations. I'm making its size into slightly adjustable because it's look better. Now I'm making its background into be slightly less, and for the our last part of visualization I'm making its background to be a little more in width. I'm just adjusting the visualization over there. As we have the visualization over pivot table along with these bar charts over there, because just because we're doing our visualization part there are a lot of filters that have been applied. We just remove that and then our second dashboard is good to go. So now I'm changing its size into be slightly larger and removing all the filters that are being applied. So over this visualization part is being done. So this is our dashboard, two dashboards for our employee satisfaction and their performance analysis. I will provide you the GitHub repository where the dataset and all the stuff and all the links are being available.